Ambassador Zethkri's tentacles quivered as she reviewed the intelligence report for the third time. The holographic display showed a primitive blue-green world on the outer rim of the Milky Way, a planet the inhabitants called Earth. What should have been a routine first contact assessment had become the most disturbing document in Galactic Council history. Impossible, she whispered in her native tongue, though the universal translator rendered it in standard galactic. They can't be this dangerous by accident. The report detailed humanity's recent emergence into space. Like most species, they had developed faster-than-light travel shortly after achieving nuclear fusion. Standard protocol called for gentle observation followed by gradual contact once they proved themselves peaceful. But humans had shattered every assumption about civilized development. Dr. Sarah Chan adjusted her lab coat as she walked through the International Space Station's research module, unaware that her routine work was being monitored by a dozen alien civilizations. She was studying extremophile bacteria, organisms that thrived in conditions that would kill most life forms. To her, it was fascinating research. To the galaxy's observers, it was evidence of humanity's horrifying adaptability. The organisms show remarkable resilience, Sarah dictated to her AI assistant. They can survive in near-vacuum conditions, extreme radiation, and temperatures that would liquefy most organic compounds. It's almost as if Earth's biosphere has been preparing for the harshest environments imaginable. 27 light-years away, the Crystalline Collective's prime calculator processed this information alongside thousands of other data points. Humans didn't just study extremophiles, they were extremophiles. Their homeworld was a death trap of violent weather, crushing gravity, and toxic atmosphere. What other species would consider uninhabitable wastelands, humans called challenging environments. The calculator's analysis was clear. Humanity had evolved on a world that functioned as a military training ground. Every human was essentially a battle-hardened survivor by galactic standards. Commander Jake Rodriguez felt the familiar burn in his muscles as he completed his daily exercise routine aboard the Mars colony ship. The artificial gravity was set to Earth normal, which meant it was nearly 3 times stronger than what most galactic civilizations considered comfortable. His workout regime, standard for human space personnel, would have hospitalized most alien species. The Ethereal Confederation's monitoring station recorded his vital signs during the exercise. His heart rate peaked at 180 beats per minute, his muscles generated forces that would crack ethereal bone analogs, and his oxygen consumption suggested a metabolic rate that bordered on the impossible. Yet he considered this a light workout day. By the void, whispered ethereal observer Lum Tai, they're not just surviving in that crushing gravity, they're thriving in it. They've weaponized their own biology. What truly terrified the galactic community wasn't humanity's physical capabilities, it was their casual attitude toward danger. Every human child grew up playing games that simulated combat. Their entertainment featured scenarios that would traumatize most civilized species. They voluntarily participated in activities called extreme sports that served no purpose except to court death. The breaking point came when humans launched their first deep space exploration mission. The ship's crew included Dr. Chin, Commander Rodriguez, and 12 other specialists. Their destination, a region of space that every galactic civilization had marked as absolutely forbidden, a sector where reality itself became unstable due to dark matter storms. This is incredible, Dr. Chin transmitted back to Earth as their ship rode the edge of a cosmic phenomenon that had destroyed 3 previous alien expeditions. The readings we're getting could revolutionize our understanding of physics. The transmission reached 47 different alien monitoring stations simultaneously. Within hours, the Galactic Council convened an emergency session. "They're not exploring," announced the Council's military advisor, a being whose species had conquered 17 star systems. "They're hunting. They seek out the most dangerous regions of space for recreation." Ambassador Zethkri's report concluded with a recommendation that shocked even the Council's most hawkish members: immediate quarantine of the Sol system, not to protect the galaxy from human aggression, but to prevent humans from accidentally discovering just how terrified everyone else was of them. The irony wasn't lost on her. Humanity had become the most feared species in the universe simply by being themselves curious, adaptable, and utterly oblivious to the fact that their normal behavior was absolutely terrifying to everyone else. In the depths of space, Sarah Chin continued her research, Jake Rodriguez maintained his fitness routine, and humanity remained blissfully unaware that they had just become the galaxy's most reluctant apex predators.